Imagine making $40 every 30 minutes just by typing one word. If that sounds good to you, you better stay tuned. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $40 every 30 minutes just by typing a word. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like, it really helps out my channel. And it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions at all about this method. Now, before I tell you about this method, I just want to talk about the free money giveaway. Now, to become eligible for the free money giveaway, all you have to do is click on the link in the description below where it says click here to become eligible for the free money giveaway. And all you have to do is follow those instructions and you will become eligible and get a chance to win the free money once I reach 6,000 subscribers, hopefully by the end of January. All right, guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end because something is going to pop up on the screen and you're going to need to type that in the comments below, and that's going to better your chances of winning the free money once I reach 6,000 subscribers. So please watch this video all the way to the very end. Also, there's going to be some steps you're going to have to take with this method, so you don't want to click off before you learn everything you need to do to get this money. All right, without further ado, let me hop over to the site and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. All right, guys, I'm at the first website, and the name of this website is Motion Den. So with this website, they have templates for logo video animation. So they got free templates that you can use to make logo animations. Now, as you can see here, here's one right here. Here's another one. See some fancy looking animation there. And see, all you have to do is just type one word, whatever the name of the logo is, and boom. And the template already does the rest. So you really don't have to do anything when you editing these templates. Now, the reason why you're going to use this website to make logo animations because there are a lot of businesses that are in need of logo animation for their website or for a video or whatever. And you can provide that to them at a real good price. So what I'm going to do is go to the website. There's two of them. I'm going to go to the first website where you can provide these services to businesses and get paid some good money. So let me go ahead and go to the first website. Okay, guys, I'm at the website, and you probably heard this website before. I've talked about it in several of my videos, Fiverr. So on here, Fiverr is a freelance website where freelancers can go here and provide their services to individuals and businesses. A lot of businesses come here to get things done for their video or website or any other service that they need. Now, what I did is looked up logo animation, and as you can see here, it's different prices. Here's 25, here's 5, here's 40, and they're real easy to make. As I showed you in the other website, all you need to do is put one word, which is whatever the name of the logo is, and boom, you're finished. Then you could do another one and another one real fast. Look at this. Here's one right here, custom logo animation intros and outros, 300. So companies are paying this type of money to get this done because these companies, they don't have time to sit up here and try to learn how to make a logo animation type of video. So that's why they come here and they don't mind paying $40 to $50 to even $300. Now, I'm going to show you one other site that you can use that's going to pay you even more than on Fiverr. So let me go to that site right now. Okay guys, now I'm on the second site. It's called People Per Hour. So it's just like the other site, Fiverr, but it's a little different. When you come here, all you got to do is go here where it says search, and you're going to click on search projects. So here, these are companies offering to pay for your services. So they're giving you a certain amount they want to pay you for your services per hour, and some of them are fixed rates. So what we're going to do is type in video animation. And boom, here you go. So we have all different type of proposals here. Short video animation, $248. See, we have $150. We got $3,000, guys. We have $34, $136, $150, $343, $206. Here's one $1,000 for a 2D animation video. $1,000, guys. All you have to do is use Motion Den, and boom, you'll be finished real quick, and you can submit that video to them and get paid that amount of money. Here's $137, and here's $141 an hour, guys. So that's all I'm going to show you on this website. So if you're ready to go ahead and make this money just making simple logo video animations, go ahead and go to People Per Hour and provide your services to one of these companies. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this method. And make sure you share this video all over the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay guys, if you made it all the way to this point in the video, please look out for a number that will pop up on the screen. When you see that number, type it down in the comments below. That's going to help you to increase your chances on winning the free money once I reach 6,000 subscribers. Okay guys, thanks again. Please leave a creative comment down below, because I will be doing shout outs. It can be in any video. So leave a creative comment below. I might pick your comment and give you a shout out in one of my videos. All right, thanks again for your support, Grind family. Appreciate it. Road to 6,000. Let's go. Let's get it. And make sure you get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace. Have a prosperous day.